What's the meaning of crawler? Crawler. Crawler.
Crawler. Crawler. The term crawler generally refers to a software program designed to systematically scan web pages and gather information for various purposes. Commonly used by search engines to index websites, crawlers typically follow hyperlinks and recursively visit linked pages to build a comprehensive map of the web. The collected data can then be used for analysis, retrieval, or ranking purposes. Despite their usefulness, crawlers can also cause issues such as increased server load, web scraping, and potential security breaches. Overall, crawlers are an essential tool for navigating and understanding the vast digital landscape of the Internet.